Hey everyone, and welcome to Geeksvana's 2-minute drone news. Dramatic stories are appearing online which seem to be adding more credibility to the precarious nature of the future of the existing Phantom 4 and the highly anticipated Phantom 5 drone from DJI. In this latest story, The Verge have released a report confirming DJI have denied the Phantom 5 project has been cancelled, but then go on to give enough evidence to call the future of the Phantom series into serious doubt. Indeed, DJI's Director of Public Safety Integration, Romeo Dersher, said as much on a podcast last month, stating, "Yes, the Phantom line, with the exception of the Phantom 4 Pro RTK, has come to an end," he told Drone Owners Network, as reported by Drone DJ. Dersher's answer was in response to a question that's been on a drone enthusiast's mind for a while now. What happened to the Phantom 4? Because every single version of the latest Phantoms, save the commercial RTK model, has been out of stock for at least a month now. Some retailers are even showing them as discontinued. And now Drone DJ are reporting that the unannounced Phantom 5 project, rumoured to have interchangeable lenses, has been cancelled as well. DJI have moved to quash the reports, however, stating that Romeo misspoke. An official DJI statement reads, "Due to a shortage of parts from a supplier, DJI is unable to manufacture more Phantom 4 Pro drones until further notice. We apologise for any inconvenience this might cause and recommend our customers explore DJI's Mavic series drones as an alternative solution to serve their needs." However, it should be noted that this has been the official situation for more than 5 months now, leading fans of DJI to wonder how long the delay can be blamed on parts. On the 5 itself, they state, "As for the Phantom 5 rumours, we've never said we considered making a Phantom 5 in the first place, so there's nothing to cancel." DJI told Drone DJ last fall the leaked photos of a suspected Phantom 5 were actually just a one-off design for a customer. You can read the full articles from both The Verge and Drone DJ with links in the description below. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below. That's it for Geeksvana's 2-minute drone news. Please like and subscribe for more content soon.